Getting a girl's number can be difficult for most guys. Imagine seeing a girl you were really attracted to, but couldn't approach her because of the fear of rejection. You're not alone in feeling this way. Many guys face the same challenge. So in this video, we'll share some valuable tips to help you build confidence, to approach any woman you feel attracted to and wish to connect with. These tips will help you get her number within few minutes and escalate the relationship to any extent you want it. 1. Show confidence. Confidence is key when approaching a girl. It sets the tone for the interaction. Stand tall with your shoulders back. This simple posture makes you look more attractive. As you walk up to her, make eye contact and wear a friendly smile. Your body language should say you are approachable. If you come across as nervous, she might feel uncomfortable. Before you approach, take a deep breath. Picture a positive outcome in your mind. Remember, everyone feels nervous sometimes, and it's totally normal. Focus on the moment rather than worrying about the future. To build confidence, think about your strength. Remind yourself of things you are good at, whether it's your sense of humor, style, or interests. This self-assurance can shine through and make her feel more at ease. If you're having fun, she'll sense that energy. Just remember, confidence isn't about being arrogant. It's about being comfortable with who you are. 2. Start a fun conversation. Once you're close, initiate a conversation that feels natural and engaging. Start with something light and fun. You could compliment her outfit or ask her opinion on something nearby. For instance, if you're at a coffee shop, you might say, "This place has the best lattes. Have you tried them?" Using humor can break the ice, but be careful not to go overboard. A simple joke or playful tease can lighten the mood. Pay attention to her responses. This shows that you care about what she's saying. Ask follow-up questions to keep the conversation flowing. Share a bit about yourself too, but don't dominate the conversation. It's a two-way street. If she seems interested and engaged, that's a great sign. Make her feel like you're having a genuine connection. When she laughs or smiles, you know you're doing something right. The more fun you have, the more she'll want to stick around. 3. Ask casually for her number. After a lively conversation, the moment will come to ask for her number. Timing is everything. Look for a natural break in the chat. When the vibe feels right, casually say something like, "I've really enjoyed talking to you. We should continue this conversation later. What's your number?" Keep it light and easygoing. Avoid making it feel like a big deal. If she seems hesitant, reassure her by saying something like, "No worries if you don't want to, but it will be great to stay in touch." This will signal to her that you respect her choice and not desperate to have it. If she gives you her number, thank her with a smile. Make sure to end the conversation on a high note. If she declines, don't take it personally. Respect her decision and gracefully walk away. This leaves a positive impression, which might open doors for future interactions. Remember, confidence and respect go hand in hand, making you more attractive overall. 4. Don't act weak. Weak behaviors can ruin your chances when trying to get a girl's number. Weakness includes being overly clingy, anxious, or insecure. If you seem desperate, it can make her feel uncomfortable. She might think you lack confidence or self-worth. For example, don't keep asking her if she likes you or if she'll give you her number. These questions can come off as needy. It puts pressure on her and can lead to rejection. Instead, focus on having a fun and lighthearted conversation. Also, avoid talking about your past relationships or personal problems. This can be a major turn-off. It may make her feel like you're looking for sympathy rather than a genuine connection. Weakness signals that you might not be ready for a relationship. Girls are attracted to confidence and strength. When you show weakness, it will be counterproductive. It can push her away instead of drawing her closer. Stay relaxed, be yourself, and enjoy the moment. This way, You create a positive impression and increase your chances of success. These are simple strategies you can employ to get the number of any girl you wish to have. I know you've learned something new today. Kindly go through our channel, and you'll definitely see other contents that will interest you. You can be part of our family by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.